Good day and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be checking out a product from Vonixx, and this is their Sinergy Paint. So as I mentioned, we're going to be checking out this product right here, Sinergy Paint from Vonixx. They classify this product as a paint spray coating and up to 12 months of protection. So we're going to be going over application of this product, removal of this product, results that it leaves, that it delivers on the paint. Do we get any gloss, slickness, depth, shine, all of that good stuff, and my thoughts and opinions on using it and how good I think it is. Before we get into what they say about this product, remember, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload if you're enjoying this content. Also, smash that thumbs up if you're liking the content as well, and drop a comment down below. But a few things that Vonixx has to say about their Sinergy Paint. They say that this is a CarboSiloxy nanotechnology. Sinergy Paint Spray Coating is an easy to apply spray coating for automotive paint that protects the surface for up to 12 months. In addition, the product brings an exclusive Vonixx CarboSiloxy nanotechnology, in which carbon acts as synergy with silicon, creating a resistant and hydrophobic film. As a result, it reduces friction, minimizing scratches, and promotes shine. How to use: make sure the paint is clean and dry. Spray a small amount of the product onto a clean, dry microfiber towel. Apply on the paint in straight movements in an area not exceeding 60 by 60 cm, which would equate to 2 foot by 2 foot. After 10 seconds, wipe it off with a second clean and dry microfiber towel. Continue the process until the entire vehicle is completed. So that is what Vonixx has to say about their Sinergy Paint. One cool thing on the back of the bottle right here, I'll see if I can get the focus. You can see they give a little graph of what this product will deliver. And this is just in dots, so I'm going to call these dots stars. So they say you get 5 stars of protection, 4 stars of gloss, and 5 stars of water beading. So that will be your hydrophobic properties of this product. So that is enough talking about this product. Let's head on out. Let's use it. Let's see how it works, how well it wipes off, how user-friendly is it, all of that great stuff. So let's get out there and try it out. Okay, so always make sure that you shake up your products very, very well. I've shaken this one up. It's been a little while, so it's been sitting around just a bit. I've shook it more than I have right there. I'm just going to use a nice microfiber applicator from the Rag Company to apply it with. Then I also have another microfiber that I will use to remove it. So I'm just going to prime this pad. I'm going to spray into the pad, apply it into the straight lines, just like they said, onto the fender here. We'll see how it applies on, and then we will come in and we'll remove it. So I feel that's primed up really well, and that stuff smells so good. It smells really, really good. So we'll just come in, straight lines, it's drying out just a little bit. So it applies very smooth. I know it's white paint, so it's kind of hard to see. The smell of this stuff is really, really good. I can't get over how good it smells. Just go back over it one more time, making sure that I have complete coverage of the application of this product onto the fender. I can already feel it is crazy, crazy slick. They say to allow 10 seconds. I'm trying to look. Like I said, on camera it's going to be hard to see because it's white. Not really seeing any hazing or anything. And then come in, and that slickness is right there immediately. Very, very slick. You can feel it buffing off. Buffs off very easily. And that is a very quick and easy way to add some paint protection right there. So they say up to 12 months. That's up to, that's not 12 months, it's not guaranteeing it, but up to 12 months. The paint's not prepped, it hasn't had a polish or a paint enhancement or clay bar or decontaminate or anything like that. It is clean. We got wintertime coming on, so it's going to have a tough task of keeping up with winter. But to get a little protection on there, and the slickness of that stuff is absolutely insane. Super easy to apply. I will move down to the door. We'll apply it on the door real quick too. Then I'll get it applied to everything and we'll come back and take a look. I do feel that that fender is glossier. White is a hard color to see gloss and shine on, I know. But this is what I have available, and I'm getting some content out for you guys. So bear with me on certain colors. But overall, this stuff is so easy to apply. So move back just a little bit. Just do a few sprays into the microfiber applicator here. And we'll just come in. Same thing. Straight lines. Try to get all the surfaces. Around door handles is pretty tough. That's why I like these microfiber applicators though, these foam ones. They contour very well to get around. You can feel the product going on. You can feel when you need a little bit more. You just get just a bit more drag. But it is so easy to apply. It is absolutely crazy. And that's what I like out of a paint protection that is a spray product. Something that is very easy to apply, just like this. You're not wasting a lot of time. It's a very quick, easy, effective way of getting some protection on your paint and a way to make it look good. So this is a product for literally anyone and everyone. If I look down the side, you can see right there. So it does kind of haze up a little bit. Not a whole lot. I don't think I'm going to be able to pick that up on camera. I'm sorry about that. But you are getting my initial thoughts and reactions on this product. The slickness is just crazy. Super, super crazy. Very easy to buff off. You can feel it too. It's kind of grabby on the microfiber where it's at. And then once you get that residue knocked down and you're getting it buffed off, you can just feel that slickness just pick up crazy under your microfiber towel. So you can tell that you're getting it all off. So that whole door, crazy slick. Very easy to apply. Looks really good. I'll get my shadow off of there. We'll move the camera just a little bit so you can see the doors. There's the back one, here's the front one. Stuff smells so good. So easy to apply. I'm going to go ahead and apply to the rest, then I'll bring you in and show you the finished results once I get everything applied. Okay, so as you can see, the side of this thing is very glossy. You can see that there is reflections in it, but when you pan over to the hood here, you can see the clouds, you can see that tree, you can see the house. So there is a lot of reflections, lots of gloss. This stuff added a tremendous amount of gloss. Super easy to apply, very easy to wipe off, tons of gloss, tons of slickness. I absolutely love this product. Very, very easy to use, smells great, and delivering tremendous results. But this is just one spot here. I can pick this up, move around a little bit. That I did notice, you could see the most reflection. And right over in here, you can see the reflection of this other tree in the paint. So you can get white to shine. And you can get lots of gloss out of it. You can also see down the side the reflection of the charger in it. So this thing looks super, super good. Very impressed with it. Lots of gloss for just white paint. There is no metal flake, no pearl, nothing in it. Looks very, very good. Let's get into my final thoughts on this product. So as you can see, earlier this morning we did get some rain. And here is how the Vonixx Sinergy is holding up. As you can see, the beading is very, very nice on this stuff. And you can see that the beads are just rolling off of the hood. They're not right now, but they were. You can see the paths that they've done. So overall, very impressed. The gloss on it is really nice. After this is kind of just set and cured, so the gloss looks really, really nice as well. Overall, very, very impressed, but I was just wanting to give you an update because we got some wonderful moisture from Mother Nature, but you can see how this stuff is holding up and what it is like, the beading properties and characteristics of it. So very, very impressed with it. All right, so there is the use of the Vonixx Sinergy paint. This stuff is kind of crazy because it is a very thick formula, as you could see. It does apply onto the surface, and I feel being a thicker formula like that, you do get a nice even coverage over the painted surface with this. It does wipe off fairly easy. It's not super hard to wipe off at all. It's a little bit tacky at first, but then that surface, you can feel the slickness coming through right underneath that microfiber towel. I do feel that it did deliver a very nice amount of gloss. And then also you can see the hydrophobic properties at the end of the video of applying it, because I wanted to go back out after it had some time to kind of sit, to cure, if you will. They don't mention any cure time on this, but I wanted to go back out, and then what do you know? We started getting some rain. So nothing wrong with that at all. And I was very pleasantly surprised by seeing the hydrophobic properties that this had left on the surface. Seeing the water beading during the rain like that, it wasn't a heavy downpour, it was just a nice light drizzle. And the product on the paint with the hydrophobic properties looked absolutely astonishing. So I was very happy with that. So this product was easy to apply. It was easy to remove. It had great hydrophobic properties. It did make that white paint pop. And I personally really like it. I feel that this is a great product. I am going to give it 2 thumbs up just for the simple fact that I enjoyed my user experience with this product from start to finish, and then also seeing those hydrophobic properties that delivered, and along with the gloss after I had applied it. Also, like I mentioned earlier, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a future upload if you're enjoying this comment. Smash that thumbs up if you like this video, and drop that comment down below. I love seeing your guys' comments. I love seeing the interaction. I like getting back to you guys as well. So that is a great place to interact on the channel. And thank you all so much for making the channel as great as it is. I can't thank you guys enough. But real quick, wrap up this Vonixx Sinergy paint. I think it's a great product. If you want to try it, I think it's 100% worth trying. Pick it up, try it out. I don't think you're going to be disappointed at all. Very user-friendly, delivering great results. But thank you all so much for stopping in, taking the time out of your day to check out this video. I can't thank you guys enough, but I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.